Hey everyone, Meg Norton here, your essential oil educator and wellness advocate with doTERRA. It's Saturday and I'm feeling so excited. Why? Because I get to make a video about essential oils and I get to do what I love every day. So I'm so stoked to be with you guys and sharing about essential oils. If you have any questions or any concerns, reach out to me because I really am interested in helping support you guys, and it helps me grow and learn more when I have things to look at or research. So leave a comment in the comments below or PM or DM me on my social media accounts, and let's get connected. Let's find healthy solutions for you guys, and let's try some new stuff that is natural and safe. So speaking about natural and safe, we have our modern approach, which is not natural, and then we have our natural approach, which of course is natural. Our modern approach is going to be an approach designed to manage symptoms. Okay, so when we talk about this, managing symptoms is great. However, we're managing them right now in the Western world with a lot of synthetic compounds, okay? Now, on a level of our body, we are cells. This is how we operate. There's trillions and trillions of cells that we are. This is our human person, okay? When we put in a synthetic, which is a man-made material, into our body to try to aid or support our body's health, it doesn't always go down in the way that we want it to. In fact, it can have adverse effects, side effects, if you will, right? So you know how there's a fun, I think it's on SNL, and it just kind of makes fun of the pharmaceutical companies where it's like, and the side effects are, and it's a list, okay? That is funny. However, this is our Western world now. We are literally making fun of something, but we are consuming these synthetic materials. Why? Because they're easy and you can just reach over here and grab them, okay? That's great. I get it. We're in a fast-paced society, so we want our things right now, click of a mouse, snap of a finger. I get that because I'm the same as you and I have a lot of stuff going on. I'm busy. I don't have a lot of time to do research. I get that. The reason that most of us use this modern approach is because it's quick. Okay, so we're going to put that aside because we know why we do that, and that's to each their own. However, if you guys are ready to jump into more natural and safe, effective approach, then I would suggest you look into doTERRA essential oil and their products, and look into me. Check me out. Check my Facebook out. Check my Instagram out. Check it out. Take a couple of minutes. You're already scrolling anyway. Scroll on my site and just give it a look, okay? Because the natural approach is going to be so much more beneficial to you in the long run. You deserve to live a happy, supported life. This isn't hard to figure out. You deserve this. So doTERRA is cost-effective, is safe, and is quick with the results. These oils and supplements, they aid and support your body in ways that I've never even seen before. And I'm building testimonials right now because I've seen so many amazing things happen with these essential oils. So, okay, so we have the natural approach. This addresses the body's root cause, the problem, not the symptom. So we go deep, okay? So using these oils, using these natural products, we're targeting the root cause and we work our way out. So that's what we want to do. We want to go from in and work out, not look at the boo-boo on the outside and say, ooh, it's a boo-boo, and then internally our bodies are like screaming at us, right? So if we're doing this, if we take this natural approach, what is it going to do for you? Okay, it's going to do one of two things. It's either going to help you and help support you further, or it's not. What do you have to lose? There's no side effects. Okay? And if that oil or that supplement doesn't help you, come to me and I will help support you and I will find something that will work for you. This is the great thing about this product, is that if it doesn't work first time around, we will find something and we will make it work for you. So I'm just advocating this company, I'm advocating this brand, and if you guys want to try it out, free of cost, contact me. Reach out to me because I'll send you samples. You guys deserve to use this stuff and it works. So please reach out to me, connect with me, and also share some comments below, maybe how you use essential oils, what you use them for, if you're curious about a certain oil, if you have any ailments or anything that you need support in, just comment, because I'm a human. I'm sitting here at home, you know, with my phone up, and I just want to connect with people and talk about some good stuff. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I wanted to keep this under 6 minutes, and I think I've done that. So I haven't touched on everything, just touched on a little bit about the benefits of essential oils and the benefits of using a more natural approach. So I'm sending light and love, much abundance out to you all, and I look forward to connecting with you. Have an awesome day.